I don't think the chicken is that good. Like, I'd rather just order from Wingstop. I'd rather, what's another? Jollibee. It's just fried chicken. Just tastes like gravy chicken. I don't think the chicken is that good. Like, I'd rather just order from Wingstop.
What? Really? I marinated and I seasoned.
And I work like a dog day and night.
Oh. This one actually tastes like something. I'm excited for this one.
It's Filipino spaghetti.
I like that one.
Praise God.
This one's actually different. Oh, like pineapple. Oh, that's so good.
Peach mango pie.
I'm really bit into it. I thought it was gonna be crunchy. That's the best dessert brought on here.
Thank you.
Look, you saw it? You saw it just came off?
Yeah,
That's how soft it is.
it's flaky.
I give these a 7. It's like a 9. Because it was different. It's a 10 anywhere else. Just not here. because you made, I forgot what it
The
was.
viral spaghetti. The baked one.
Yeah. That last point is everything. This is a 10. This is perfect. It tastes like pineapple juice. Like a 9.
It's a little sweeter.